Function f is defined as x minus 6 over 2. We need to find f of 8. So we're going to substitute 8 in instead of x here, and we'll get 8 minus 6 divided by 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Part B, express the inverse function in the form f minus 1 of x equals. So this function here is currently saying to take away 6 and then divide by 2. So if we're going in reverse, if we're doing the inverse function, we're going to multiply by 2 and then add 6. So just to repeat that, the f of x function is saying to take away 6 and then divide by 2. But if we're going in reverse, we're going to times by 2 and then add 6. So it would be 2x plus 6. That's the inverse function there. Function g is defined as being the square root of x minus 4. And I need to express function gf in the form gf of x. So gf of x, that's like saying the same, when I write it like that, that's the same thing as that. So I'm substituting f in instead of the x into g. So instead of having an x here, I'm going to have the f function, which is x minus 6 over 4, over 2, take away 4, that should say. So here's my x, the minus 4 is there. So I've substituted f in instead of the x in the g of x function. Now I just want to simplify this, so I'd like to get a common denominator. So I'm thinking of writing this as being 8 over 2, which will allow me to write this as x minus 14 all over 2. And I think that is as simple as I can write that. So that's going to be my final answer.